In this short video, I want to introduce myself and the course. My name's Andy Williams and I'm an ex-science teacher. However, for the last 15 to 18 years, I've actually been working online, and for more than a decade, I've been a professional SEO, specializing in WordPress, search engine optimization, and writing great content. I've also got more than 20 books on Amazon, and I also write computer software. The software that I write tends to be initially for myself and depends on what I'm doing. So when I was a teacher, I wrote some lesson planning software, which I then went on to sell and market. After that, when I became an SEO, I wrote SEO software. I do a lot of content writing, so some of my software is to help write content and so on. But let's get back and have a look at what the course is going to be about, because the course is about backing up and restoring WordPress websites. This course is for anyone that runs a WordPress website, because it's not as easy to back up as an older HTML style site. So this course is going to assume no prior knowledge, and I'm going to take you from the very beginning. You're going to learn about the items that make up a WordPress website and find out which ones need to be backed up, because they don't all need to be backed up. We'll discuss types of backup, because you can do a complete backup or a partial backup. Backups can be automatic or they can be manual, and sometimes that does depend on whether you're prepared to pay for something, whether you can get an automated system that works really well. But we're going to look at that in the course, and we are going to look at free options. We'll go through the process of manually backing up and restoring a WordPress website so you know what's involved, and that gives you a better idea or puts you in a better place to make an educated decision on how you want to back up your own WordPress websites. And we'll go through the backup and restore of a website using a recommended WordPress plugin. We're going to choose a free WordPress plugin. There are a few of them available. And we'll round things off by looking at some of the commercial backup and restore software and services that are available as well, just in case you want to hand it over to a professional or buy some software that perhaps is a little bit more robust and updated to give you a little bit more peace of mind. But that's what this course is going to be about. It's about giving you the peace of mind of knowing that if something goes wrong with your WordPress website, you have everything you need backed up so that you can restore a working copy of that website.